Hey sub family, welcome back to another video, guys. So today I got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 aka Z Fold 6, and I'm going to be reviewing this phone for you guys today. So let's go ahead and get straight to the video. Before I get to the video, I do want to mention to you that this phone is awesome and I do recommend it 100%. I will say that you will love it and your family members will love this phone. So if you want it, do not hesitate to buy it, because it is absolutely the coolest thing I've ever held in my hands as far as a device goes, guys. And I will mention that a lot in the video. But now let's get straight to the video, guys. And I'm just going to show you the overall box. So on the front, you got the Z Fold 6 right there, and it appears to be a shadow behind that. And then also on this side, you have Samsung embossed right here, which is really nice. It gives it a premium feel. And then on this side, guys, you got Galaxy Z Fold 6 on this side with a black line going through there. I'm guessing that's the shadow from the front to the side, and it don't go to the back. And then down here, you have your IMEI information. I just blocked that out here. And up here, this is the exclusive white model, 512 gigabytes. So pretty much that's the overall box and how everything looks as far as the box goes. So let's go ahead and open the box up and lay that to the side. Well, actually, in here you got a Samsung logo and you got something stored in here. So we're going to take that out. I'm going to open this up just like this. So as you can see, we are presented with the quick start guide. And then you also got another paper here. This is just volume control and different like codes and stuff. And then we got the SD card remover tool here. Paper. And then we got a Type-C to Type-C charging cable, which is really nice, guys, because I actually got a fast charger for this, and this is a Samsung fast charger. As you can see on the front, it says super fast charging, and then on the side it says energy efficient right there. And I will put this in the description below so you can purchase this if you want. So now we are presented with the Z Fold 6 right here, guys, and as you can see, it looks very luxurious. It has a nice backing here. It almost feels like a matte backing, which is really cool, guys. I think that this is a nice color. It's like an off-white kinda. It's not like a bright white, but it is like an exclusive white, and that's what Samsung says. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this pull tab up here and take the device out. There's nothing towards the bottom here. It's just a tray, and we're gonna set that to the side. Then we're going to go ahead and peel this off. And then we're going to go around to the bigger screen here. We're going to go ahead and peel that off as well. And honestly, I can't even see the crease, guys. So the crease is not really that visible at all, which is really nice. You can kind of see the punch out for the camera here. So this is the 7.6 inch display, and this is the inner display right here. And as you can see, it just looks so nice, guys. I mean, this thing is humongous, in my opinion. And then on the outside here, I'm going to close this very softly. We have the 6.3 inch display on the outside here. And that's exactly what it looks like. It's very slim here, guys. So it's good for, I'm assuming, one-hand texting if you want to do that. I actually like it. I have absolutely no complaints with it. This is the hinge, and it has Samsung right here, which is really nice. I do have gloves on, but the phone has a premium feel to it. I do know that because I actually have held this phone in my hand, and I can tell you it does have a premium metal feel to it, and it's just premium overall, guys. So you got the volume rocker up and down right here, which is really cool. Then you got the on and off button right there. And then you got the SD card slot right here. And that's pretty much the outside of the device. You got your 3 cameras right here and your flash. I don't have no complaints over this device so far. I did drive 4 hours to get this device, and I got it for a good deal, guys. So I can say that it is well worth it so far. And I absolutely love the device from just looking at it at first glance. So I'm gonna go ahead and just power this device on. And now we are presented with the Samsung Galaxy logo here. As you can see right here, the device has powered on, and I had set everything up previously in the device already. So we're gonna go ahead and open the device, and this is what you are presented with, is a bunch of apps and stuff like that. But I do wanna mention this device has a very high quality premium feel, and it's absolutely nice in the hands, guys. I love that about this phone, and I just can't get over that. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you that, and don't think that it is a mistake to actually buy this phone. So with saying that, I will show you around the device some more here. So down here, you can see the USB Type-C charging port, and then it has a dual speaker setup situation here. So you got the one here, and then you got the one up here, which is really cool. And this device also has dual SIM capability, guys, which is absolutely nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this SIM card tray up for you and show you that. And that's exactly what that looks like, guys. That's pretty nice. It came out pretty easy there. And I'm gonna push that back in. All you do is you push it in just like this. And that's how you push that back in. So let's get to the internals again here of the device. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful, guys. I think that looks amazing. And then we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna view it in the inner display here. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is, guys. I can't believe the beauty of this display inside here. We're gonna zoom it into this fish. We're gonna go ahead and zoom it back out, and look at that. Okay, guys, so I just showed you the video quality of the Z Fold 6, aka Z Fold 6, and it looks absolutely amazing, guys. And I love the displays on this device. It is such an eye-catching device, guys. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and install a game for you. And what I'm doing here is I'm going to go ahead and show you the processing speeds that this thing has, which is extremely quick. As you can see, as I scroll up and down, it just effortlessly does this, guys, and it's amazing. I think that's a nice thing there. But let's go ahead and download a video game and see how it does under that load there. So we're going to go ahead and download this game right here. And we're going to see how long that takes to download that from 0 to 100. No complaints there as far as the download speed here. We're at 49. It is almost done. We're at 82%. A 100%. It is now installing. I'm going to go ahead and open this up to the inner display. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. Wow, guys, that is extremely nice. It handled this game extremely well. And I had absolutely no lags and no problems, guys. But that's pretty much the gaming process there. And this is what the apps on the bigger display here looks like, which it's very vibrant and eye-catching on here. And that is the table there. I just clicked on the camera I know the cameras work fantastic. I know a lot of people say that they don't, but the cameras are very high quality, especially if you're upgrading from something that was like 3 years or 4 years old. You're definitely going to get a good upgrade as far as the cameras go. And the video quality is amazing. It can shoot 4K and also 8K video, which is really nice. I absolutely love that. You got the notes right here. Oh, you got a whole bunch of stuff you can do on here, but you can go ahead and type stuff on here like that. Then you got a bunch of other things on here that are really cool, guys. Obviously, you can download more applications and have much more on here. So right now, I don't have many applications on this device. You also got Spotify, and then you got the news right here, and you can check that out if you want to. Just what's going on in the world here, guys. So we're going to back out of that. That's what the dial pad looks like. And we're going to go ahead and close this inner display just like this. And we're going to see if we can do this with one hand. And it works amazing. And guys, that's what the overall internal parts of the device looks like. And it looks absolutely amazing. You got power saving mode right here. Then you got your flashlight. I'm just going to give you an idea how bright that is. It's pretty bright. That's actually a little nice LED there. We're going to go ahead and turn that off. Now the outer display gets very bright, and also the inner display here gets extremely bright as well. And that is on the max right there. So we're going to go ahead and close that again. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much the whole entire device there. I do recommend this device for anyone who loves the fold here. I do like the effort that Samsung had put into this device. And I definitely think the craftsmanship on this device is an A+ for me. Now, I will say I did buy this with my own money, and I am not sponsored by Samsung at all. So I wanted to present this device to you and show you some features that it has, and also just tell you a little bit about it. But like I said, I did drive 4 hours to get this device, and it was well worth the drive. And if you are looking at this device and you're thinking about getting it, I would definitely not hesitate on buying this Samsung phone here. And I think that this was worth it, in my opinion, for me to go ahead and just grab this device, because as a content creator, guys, I do like to multitask with a lot of things, and it helps me with that as I'm creating and editing content and so forth, guys. And that's that. And then we're going to go back on this game.
Let's take them down together. My liege, we've lost some soldiers in the battle.
So before we end this video out, I'm going to go ahead and show you the overall device one more time. So we're going to flip it to the back, and then you got that exclusive white. That's the bottom of the device, the side, and that is the front. And then you got the hinge right here. Now, this is the end of the video on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, aka Z Fold 6. And I hope you like this video, guys, because I definitely recommend this device to you. And also, if your family member is interested in this device, make sure you tell them, do not hesitate to go pick it up, because they will appreciate how this thing is built and how it performs. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked that video, and God bless you. Okay, guys, so I hope you liked the review video on this beautiful Galaxy Z Fold 6, aka Z Fold 6, guys. And I appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to let all of y'all know, Jesus is King. God bless you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.